Hello there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. This is a really quick video. We are going to do a quick review on this Keffi coffee machine. It's a pod machine. You can see here it actually takes the Aldi pods. These ones are this size here. My one word summary of this coffee machine right here is basic. It's very, very basic. Aldi sell these super cheap, these guys, but they're very, very basic. You've got a water container on the back. The same as most others, it has a little O-ring seal. Just lift it out to fill it, or you can fill it up where it is. It's got the lever action up top here to pierce the pods and hold them in place. There is a good sized pod with the Aldi one, so you get a little bit more coffee than what you do with an espresso. This is the coffee machine that's at our accommodation, so we've just used it for a couple of days. When it powers up, you can see here you've got your small shot, large shot. You can take this here out if you want to get a bit of a bigger cup in, but it's just very, very basic, just in its build quality. You can see we've also got a bit of an ant situation going on here. Very basic in its build quality, in its build feel and all the rest of it, but they sell them very, very cheap, and the reality is that it made a great coffee. No complaints whatsoever for the quality of coffee that came out of it. So very, very basic. But if you're after just something simple, maybe you don't drink coffee, you just want something for guests or something like that, or just something simple, hey, it does the job. It makes a great coffee. It's not got an extreme build quality like maybe the DeLonghi's or other things I've reviewed. Have a look at my channel for that. But anyway, very basic. The output coffee, absolutely nothing wrong with it at all. It was really, really good. It was hot enough. It did everything right with the pressure and everything through the coffee. No facility here for milk at all. You've got to heat your milk up in another way if you're going to do a latte. But there it is.